How to multiply in Excel? So like you want to multiply 7 with 7 with any number like 9. So equal, select this number. Now press shift and 8, this symbol star. Now select another number, press enter. So this way you can multiply. Very easy. Like you want to multiply 3 with 7. So how you will do? Equal, select this number. Now star, select second number, press enter. Similarly, if you have big number, now you want to multiply this. So equal, select first number, star. You can type star, shift and 8 number key on your keyboard. Now select the second number and enter. So this way you can multiply. Thanks for watching.